Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Natura Resort and Spa. The resort's not even open yet. We're getting a special preview right now, and I can't wait to show it to you. Currently we're in an Ocean View Junior Suite. Now this particular variety comes in both Preferred Club and the standard entry level. The big difference with the Preferred Club is you're gonna get that expedited arrival check-in at the Preferred Club Lounge, access to the lounge and all of its amenities throughout your stay here, some bonus amenities around the resort including the spa, but check out our full resort tour, you'll see a lot more about that. But let me show you what this particular room is all about. As soon as you walk in the door here, you're gonna have your light switches and you're also gonna have your do not disturb right here. You have your luggage storage, and I really like that just below it they have the drawers so you can take your stuff directly from the bag right on into the storage. You've got your primary storage here above, hanging storage, and then right there you're gonna have your robe and slippers. I know I mentioned it earlier, but the spa is unbelievable. You're gonna wanna wear those down to the spa and explore it. Right here you've got your safe, you also have a steamer underneath, and just a little more storage tucked away. Now we're headed into the bathroom. To my right, you've got the toilet, and I'll take you right on into the shower. It's a really nice, large size walk-in shower, like the beautiful accent tiles right there. You've got your shower wand here, so you can take it off and utilize that, your bench, and then you also have a nook to put the amenities. Now keep in mind that if you are in the Preferred Club variety, you're gonna get an expanded level of amenities in the room itself. So you're gonna get the full-size bath and shower gel, things along those lines, but there's several other upgrades included. You've got your large double vanity here, storage underneath, your hair dryer, and your scale. I try to stay away from that whenever possible. Right here, you're gonna have your incense. That's one of the signatures of Dreams. If you stayed here before, you know what I'm talking about. But I like the large double vanity space, plenty of room to spread out, and you're gonna have your magnifying mirror right here as well. One important feature to note is being that this is a family resort, and a lot of families stay in this category, this does shut. Now it's a nice bit of privacy, not all resorts do that, and so having that closed off completely, especially if you're traveling with teenagers, is a big bonus. Continuing into the bedroom space, to my right, you're gonna have your mini bar. This comes fully stocked, they'll replenish it as often as you like throughout your stay, and then you're also gonna have the tray with glasses. Above that, you find your Nespresso maker. They've got the Nespresso pods, and those will be replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. I love starting my day at home with one, so perfect to do it on vacation as well. This particular room is in a double bed variety. They also have it in a king. It depends on what your preference is. And there's also an upgraded option where you can put the two together to make a family suite. We've got a video on that if you want to check it out. Now, right next to the bed, you've got your lamp. The temperature controls are right by the bed. I always love that. Get warm or cold in the evening. You've got your clock right here, 2 USB chargers, and all of your light switches, phone, and remote control. Now, I always bring an extra battery backup when I travel. That way I can charge just in case I don't have enough space to plug in. At the foot of the bed, you're gonna find your large flat panel smart TV. You've got 2 USB plugs and a little chair that pulls out so you can use this as a writing desk. I do love that they have fans in every single room at the resort. In fact, you might say I'm a fan of it because I love to have the air moving. It just makes me happy, sleep better. Down below here, you're gonna have more drawers and you've got a chair tucked away in the corner. So in this configuration, this door is completely locked, but once again, you can have that upgraded family suite option if you wanna put them together. You've got your small love seat over to the side and coffee table. This is perfect if you want to order from the room service menu or grab a quick coffee in the morning. So I'm stepping out to the balcony. I do like that they have a screen there so you can get that breeze going through. You've got 2 chairs and a small table. This is just your small private space so that you can relax and take in the beautiful ocean views. Now keep in mind that with the Preferred Club variety, you're gonna also have a great soaking tub out here, so it really amplifies that experience. So when you're ready to book this beautiful junior suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your family, and friends at an incredible value.